Bravery in the Jungle. A Tale of Little Rabbit. In the heart of the emerald jungle, where vines curled like sleepy snakes and parrots sang lullabies to the wind, lived two young rabbits, brave Kimo and his curious little sister, Lala. They were inseparable, chasing butterflies, nibbling sweet clover, and playing hide-and-seek beneath the towering baobab trees. One sunny morning, while Kimo was gathering berries, Lala wandered off chasing a shimmering dragonfly. She giggled as it danced through the air, not noticing the shadow that loomed behind her. It was Bongo, the naughty baboon, known for snatching shiny things and sometimes unsuspecting jungle critters. With a mischievous grin, Bongo scooped up Lala and leapt into the treetops, swinging from branch to branch. Lala squealed not in fear but in surprise. She thought it was a game, until Bongo reached his secret hideout high above the jungle floor. Kimo returned to find Lala gone. His ears perked, his nose twitched, and his heart thumped like jungle drums. He followed the trail of crushed leaves and dragonfly wings until he heard her faint giggle echoing from the canopy. Without hesitation, Kimo climbed. Though rabbits weren't made for trees, he used vines like ladders and leapt from branch to branch, his tiny paws gripping bark and hope. Monkeys chattered, birds gasped, and even the wind seemed to cheer him on. At last, he reached Bongo's hideout, a nest of twigs and stolen trinkets. "Let my sister go," Kimo demanded, puffing out his chest. Bongo laughed. "She's mine now." "She's fun!" Kimo didn't flinch. "She's not a toy. She's my family." Moved by Kimo's courage, the jungle animals gathered. A wise old toucan squawked, "Even the smallest heart can roar the loudest." Bongo blinked. He'd never seen such bravery in a creature so small. With a sheepish grin, he handed Lala back. "I didn't mean harm, I just wanted a friend." Kimo smiled. "Then be kind. Friends don't take, they share." From that day on, Bongo changed his ways. He played fair, shared his treasures, and even helped build a jungle playground for all the young animals. And Kimo? He became a legend. The little rabbit who climbed trees, faced a baboon, and proved that courage isn't about size, but heart. Would you like me to illustrate this story with a jungle scene featuring Kimo, Lala, and Bongo?